All right, welcome back, guys, to my channel. It's good to be with you today again. All right, first and foremost, let me congratulate you if you took part in the just concluded, dogs airdrop. So in this video, I'll be guiding us through the process to, withdraw our dogs airdrop into our Bybit accounts. First and foremost, if this is your first time on my channel, kindly give this video a like and also subscribe to this channel. Hit on that subscription button and also click on that notification bell. With this, you'll be able to be amongst those who will see my videos as soon as I release them. Very quickly, I'll head over to the dogs Telegram application. Then I'll open the app. All right, this is my dogs. You can see I have about 65,516 dogs token. Now, what you get in the airdrop is what you receive. So you can see here it says deposit to exchanges. Deposit to exchanges. So we are going to be deposited to exchanges. I will just click on this. Deposit to exchanges. Then you can see it says exchanges here. The second is a wallet in Telegram, while the second is a non-custodial wallet. Now this non-custodial wallet will be available on the 20th after the listing. On this non-custodial wallet like the Tone Keeper wallet. So I would really advise you, you withdraw into your Bybit account. If you don't have one, kindly go and open one and verify that account. All right, we're going to be withdrawing into an exchanges. So I'll just click on continue. Then we have OKs here and we have Bybit. So we are withdrawing into our Bybit account. So I will just select Bybit. Then click on this send here. Now it says, do you have an Bybit account? Yes, since we have one, we just click on yes, I have it. Now, what we need to enter here is one Bybit user ID. Now, very quickly, I'll just go to my Bybit account. Now, this is my Bybit. I'll open. All right, to get my user ID, I'll just click on this, the top left-hand corner, this image here. I'll click on it. Then you can see UID. This here, I'll just click on this copy here. Copy. Now my user ID is copied. I'll just go back to the Telegram app, then paste this here. It's pasted. Then the next is a dogs deposit address. Now I'll go back to my to my Bybit. Then I'll go back here. Then I'll locate assets. Assets at the bottom right hand corner. You can see it here. Click on it. Then when you are in asset, you come to deposit. You click on deposit. Then now it says we should select the payment method. Now I'm not depositing by P2P. I'm not buying with Naira. What I want to do is I want to deposit by crypto. Deposit crypto. So I'll just click on this deposit crypto. Then when it comes here, I will need to select dogs. Since I can't find it here, what I'll have to do is you look at this search box at the top. Here you click on the search box and you type dogs. DOGS, dogs. You search for dogs. Then we wait now. This is dogs here. You click on this dogs. Then when it opens, it says make sure that the chain type you make deposit to is the one you make withdrawal from. Then we just have to select the chain we want to use, the network, which is Tone. This is Tone. You click on Tone. Then it opens. Then you just accept this, click on OK. Now what you have to do is here, this is the address, wallet address. You come here, you copy the wallet address, this first one. Do not close this page. Now go back to your docs. You say docs deposit address. You come here and you paste that address here. You paste that address. Then the next thing is memo. Now you go back to your Bybit accounts. Now after the docs address, you can see this is a tag/memo. Now tag slash memo, comment, note, remark. Now you see memo, this number, you come here, you copy it. You copy this number, then you go back, which is the memo. You go back here and enter this memo and paste it. And paste this memo. Now it is done. What you have to do next, because you don't have any other thing to do, any other information to impute. So what you just have to do is to come down, click on send. Now you can go through the information. This is for you to confirm that every information you entered is correct. Now you can see this number to say KYC passed only. Now if your Bybit account, you have not done your KYC, you have not passed your KYC, please do not withdraw this, do not make this withdrawal. Please do not make this withdrawal. It says KYC passed only. Exchanges require to verify your identity before trading. Now, what do we have to do? You just have to come down. If you are sure everything is correct, then you just have to come down and click on I confirm. Now I'll click on I confirm. Now it says deposit is in progress. Now be ready for the listing on August 20. All right, thank you very much. You just click on this wolf. Thank you very much. You can see the balance is no longer here, it is now here, and it says 65,516 dogs withdrawing. So the withdrawal is in progress. It's in what is in process. All right, thank you very much. This is how to withdraw your dog token. And congratulations once again if you participated in the dog airdrop. And please do not forget to give this video a like, give me a subscription, and also hit on that notification bell. Your comments, I would definitely appreciate your comments. Please leave your comments on the on this video. All right, thank you very much, and I hope to see you another time.